Hello guys, Wild here and welcome to this new series that I'll be making over the next few months, and it is going to be about this game that I'm making called Alice. So you might have not known that I've been working on this game called StatQuest for the past few months, I believe, and it is finally finished, and I will leave a link in the description to where you can play it. We don't have it up yet on a portal. But as soon as we do, I will make sure to announce you guys on Twitter or something. And yeah, so I guess I can show you what I made so far. So right now I just made a menu, which looks pretty nice. You can select with the mouse and the keyboard, they both work. And once you go in, it is just a plain field. The performance is actually pretty bad right now. I am using Phaser and WebGL. And I am using loads of shaders. I'm using film grain, S-noise I believe, and just other effects, and it really slows down performance, but I'm gonna have to tune that down I guess in the next build. But yeah, I guess I can talk about the origins of this game, right? Because I didn't just come up with the idea, right? I didn't come up with the idea recently. I've actually had this idea, I guess last year, because I already have a prototype. I guess I can show you guys. Let me go. Alright, I had it pasted on my clipboard because I knew I wanted to show it. So, this is an old prototype I made last year, and if it's going to load, actually mute that tab. It has the old loading screen that I used in all my games back in the day. But yeah. Alright, so this is a little game that I made with Saucy Bird. I believe he does YouTube now and stuff, and it's really cool. You should check out his channel. But yeah, so if I press play, you can see that I am this little guy who has a spacesuit. So if you don't know what the game is about, it's about this little kid who gets lost in space, and he kind of has to build a rocket ship or a spaceship, I guess, to get back home. Right, and the way he gets those pieces to build the rocket ship is by doing puzzles. So for example, there are these monsters that when you go up to them, they will give you some sort of puzzle or quest, I don't know, and you can accept them using a key, for instance X right now. So I get teleported to this new section, which is just saw blades. Okay, I ran right into the first one. There's actually nothing in here, it's just saw blades and stuff. So yeah, that happens. But yeah, you kind of get the hang of it right now, right? So yeah, I've had this idea like at the beginning of last year, I'm not sure. But yeah, Saucy helped me a lot on this game, and in terms of coming up with stuff, and he made music for it, which sounded awesome. You probably heard it in the menu a bit, but yeah. So yeah, I guess I can get rid of that now. Bram, yeah, you probably know Bram. He has done some concept art for it, just like pen and paper. So this is Alice trying like a crushed spaceship, and he's going around scavenging stuff, right? So yeah, that's really cool. That's the first concept art that we have. We had some sprites for the player, but they just didn't feel right. So we decided to, I guess, find someone who can do it, or try and come up with something. I could have used the old sprites from the old Alice, but the problem is they're not mine, right? I actually might need to check licensing on that. I might be able to use that, I don't know. But yeah, what else do I have to talk about? Okay, so this is all I have right now. I am using Phaser and WebGL. I think I already said that, I'm not sure. But yeah, you can probably hear the music in the background, and that music is made by Flashy Goodness. He has a Bandcamp, I'll probably leave it in the description too. He has some really good stuff, and I'm probably going to replace, well, I am going to replace the music, since it's not mine. And yeah, I recommend checking out his Bandcamp, it's really cool. But for now, it's a really good placeholder. So yeah, I made the menu today. It was quite fun working on it. I also set up a GitHub for it, I'll probably leave a link in the description for that too, if you want to go around the source code and kind of look around. But yeah, what else? I guess I haven't uploaded in a month, I guess. That's not very good because I was keeping a schedule of weekly uploads, and I just kind of stopped. And I don't know. It's just been really hard to try and keep up because StackQuest was really intense to work on. It was just crazy. And then I was just pretty lazy. And I don't know. I didn't find any motivation to do tutorials. And my channel started to die a bit, and you know, I don't care really. Just a bit. But yeah, that sucked. What else? There's not really much. I guess I can talk about the future of this game. Actually, first of all, I want to talk about what I promised, which was the tutorial series, right? I said I was going to come out like a month ago. The problem with that is it's taken a really long time, like way longer than I expected. So I don't know. I almost have the first episode done. I'll probably have that out in the next few weeks. I don't know. I want to keep these devlogs, I guess, every 2 weeks, and then have a tutorial in between them. Like that would be ideal. But yeah, that's all I want to talk about with my channel. Now I guess I can get back onto Alice. So yeah, the next step I guess would be I want to make a map editor. And what else do I want to make? I want to make a dialogue system. That's gonna be really fun to work on. Enemy system. Well, there's not gonna be enemies. I mean monster, like alien, you know, dialogue stuff. That's gonna be linked with the dialogue. But yeah, obstacles, and just random objectives, and then just game design from then on. So yeah, that's gonna be fun to work on. There's not anything else. Yeah, there's nothing. I said I'm using Phaser and WebGL. And I am using Phaser 2.6.2. I have tried the beta version of 3, but it doesn't really work that well. And yeah, I'll be waiting on that soon. Yeah, sorry for my voice a bit weird. I'm really tired, and I just want to get a video out, to be honest, and I want to show what I've been doing for the past few days. So yeah, right now there are some placeholder tiles. There's these walls that don't do anything yet. I'll get to doing that because my tile system is really weird right now, and I'm gonna have to redo it, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you in the next devlog or video, I guess. I'm not sure what I'll upload next. But yeah, thank you for watching, and goodbye.